do have cags that we sometimes put on, but I'm thinking if I put them on you now, you will boil. So, wait just for the time. It's going to be
so you put the paddle in.
Follow the duck.
That way. Paddle,
Ready,
you put your paddle in.
Go.
Can we do one, nice and vertical.
Some synchronisation.
Yeah, this is a load of fun.
Where are we going?
You can get a couple of people at the front there, 4 people in the middle. The other one, I can sit side saddle in the middle there, madam. So don't worry about it, not going very quickly. Nice and steady. We'll have a little breather at the entrance to the lake. Okay, just relax there then, just relax. So we're going to head out on the lake now. We've got a bit of a headwind coming towards us. About parenting and all that kind of stuff. Please do take give me some advice. I'm about to enter into the world myself. Deborah there. Okay, so this is Elephant Rock. On the way back, if we've still got some beans, it is optional. All of it is optional today. We'll be moored in down here. Can you see the little slopey bit there? So we're more up there. You can jump anywhere from the left of that.
From there,
so you can go like 2 feet. And then there's a couple there by the grassy corner there. There's a couple of high ones. I can help you across to these 2 humps here. That's about 12 and 14 foot. They look nothing from here, but when you're standing on top, believe you me, they feel a lot higher than they actually are. It's probably better water quality in here than some of the taps in the cities, I reckon. There you go. You don't need to go any further than your buoyancy gauge, because well, I can give you a bit of an idea about where it's going to be quite good to film and stuff. Cool. Well, Debs will be able to do that from the side as well. All good? Not too far now. If anybody looks at you funny, just say we're looking for pairs of animals, we're expecting bad weather, and we're looking for a chap called Noah.
Ah, you guys went to the best. That's a little good one. So Bob, you can go up to the car. There's some rocks you can pop it on.
Yay! Oh, Jess! Yay! Excellent. Good job. Look, steady. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Nicely done. Help each other up the steps. Perfect, Charlie. If you can hold in here, then that'd be brilliant.
Style the vida. Style the vida. Genau. Ganz genau.
Oh yeah, right. Sigara! Sigara! Wel als ik op training, sigara! Sorry.
Sit down. Get on.
No, sit down.
Yeah.
Really the boys and top of the... Oh my god. Bob? One of the helmets coming your way just needs adjusting.
Not one, it's the smaller lady.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah, I think you just need to move
Not
a little
the
bit.
way through.
Bob, just...
Down the next bit and then up on the path. Down the next little bit and then up and out. Down the next bit and up to your left. Beautifully done. Keep coming down here, I'll start the next bit.
Yes.
Oh, awesome.
Funny. Funny.
There you go. Oh no,
Like I'm leaving.
Are you laughing, Consider? Hi, what is it?
Fynd.